pricing isn't just about numbers, it's about positioning. Your pricing can be the game changer and it can be the reason whether you grow your business or it could be holding you back. Welcome back to day 5 of the 30-day SME Growth Mastery Challenge. If you are new to the challenge, please make sure that you watch the first 4 videos that we have so far done, and in those you'll find very valuable insights and strategies that you can use towards your growth. And then if also you are new and you have not yet downloaded the 30-day SME Growth Action Plan, make sure to do so. It will help you to follow through this challenge as we move along, because attached there, and not only is there an action plan, but you'll also find a worksheet that you can also fill in, introduce it to your teams, and so forth. Okay, now, what is pricing? Pricing is the value of your product. Now, in most cases, the most common type of pricing that is used by SMEs are two, which is cost-based pricing and value-based pricing. Now, I'm just going to talk about these two, although there are other forms of pricing. These are the most common ones. Now, cost-based pricing is whereby you price by first calculating the cost and then adding a markup on top. Now, this type of pricing is safe because at all times your costs are always covered, but oftentimes you will see that it leaves a lot of money on the table. And then the second type of pricing is value-based pricing. Now, if you're using value-based pricing in your business, either to price your products or your service, what you're basically doing is you're pricing according to the perceived value to the customer. How much value does your customer put on your product? Now, oftentimes this leads to a larger margins as well as a premium positioning. So a lot of products that have got a premium price on them, usually they use value-based pricing. Okay, now in your pricing model, there are certain signs that you must be looking for right now to see whether the model that you've applied is a model that is enhancing your growth or it is not. The first sign that your pricing could be wrong is, number one, a low margin pricing. Now, in low margin pricing, if an increase in cost, it could be cost of inputs, cost of transport, whatever it is, if an increase in profits erodes away your profit, it means that your pricing is wrong, then you need to revise your pricing. The second sign is clients don't see value. What this basically means is that if clients are always asking about the value of the product, you always got these questions from your clients, it means that, one, the value proposition has not been properly articulated, and as a result, it is difficult to price in such instances. So what we basically do, we always put everyone that comes through our training through what is called the unique value proposition alignment. If you do not have a value proposition that is well aligned to your goals, or clients don't really understand your value proposition, oftentimes they will always question the value of a product. Now, this certainly means that your pricing also is going to be defective in such a case, and growth becomes an impossibility. And then the third thing is consistent discounts. If you feel you have to lower your prices every time for you to get a sale, it means, therefore, that there's something wrong with the value of your particular product. Either you have failed to communicate the value, or you are not confident about the value that you're offering. Obviously, if you're not confident, you yourself not being confident about your value of your product, it becomes difficult for you to transfer that value to someone else and to make them believe in the pricing that you are charging them. So always make sure that you attend to these 3 signs. And if you've got such a situation or scenario in your business right now, you need to attend to it immediately. But if you still do not know exactly what model to use as far as pricing is concerned, or you're having challenges finding out whether your pricing is right or not, please reach out on the details that we have put in the description down below, and then have a 30 minutes non-obligation call with us. You can book your call at your convenience, and we can see if you and us can be a good fit to work together. Otherwise, if you still have not yet downloaded the 30-day SME Growth Mastery action plan, make sure to do so. Also, leave any comments, leave any questions concerning pricing. Thank you so much for watching day 5. We'll see you tomorrow on day 6. Bye.